I don't want you to get confused over the topic while I was making this video, which was titled 3 Reasons Why I'm Adding More Solana to My Crypto Portfolio. Fast breaking news came out about how Solana has outpaced Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you know what? Keep watching to get the lowdown on exactly what's going on in the markets. This is Similolu. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'll be going over some of the reasons why I'm topping up my portfolio with this particular coin. And that coin is SOL, the token of the Solana blockchain. So the first reason is a spike in Ethereum, which has led to an increased momentum in Solana's price action. Now, investors are rushing to be ahead of the game of acquiring more Ethereum ahead of the merge. That is Ethereum's transition from its current proof of work to a proof of stake protocol. Now, since Ethereum is the most valuable cryptocurrency for smart contracts, this is seen as a very bullish change for projects that are building utility into the blockchain. Since Solana has some of the same utility ability as Ethereum, but with lower costs, it also has benefited from this sharp upward momentum. But if you look at the charts, you'll see the pace at which Solana has gained ground over the last 4 days has far outweighed the pace at which Ethereum is moving. And this fact has been validated by this piece of fast breaking news.
Solana tokens on Thursday are gaining the most among the top 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. It seems that bullish momentum is helping the proof-of-stake crypto outperform peers, with SOL tokens up more than 2% Thursday afternoon and plus 27% in the past 5 sessions.
The second reason why I'm buying more Solana is because of Solana's diversification into DeFi and NFTs has undoubtedly boosted the enthusiasm of Solana's faithful believers. Now, this cannot but help Solana maintain its cutting edge in the crypto space. And with the explosive increase in the popularity of NFTs, I truly believe that Solana will remain cutting edge and eventually increase up the ranks to challenge Ethereum's number 2 ranking. And the third and last reason is that all-important support for the Solana project by an inflow of money from institutional investors.
Grayscale Investments, the world's largest digital currency asset manager, announced the launch of Grayscale Solana Trust. The trust is solely and passively invested in SOL, the native token of the Solana network, a smart contract platform first conceived in a 2017 white paper. Like the Ethereum network, the Solana network is one of a number of projects intended to expand blockchain use beyond just a peer-to-peer money system. Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein said, "We have had a front-row seat to the mainstream acceptance and adoption of crypto, and increasingly find that investors are diversifying their exposure beyond digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum."
So these are just 3 reasons why I strongly believe in Solana and why I'm investing in it some more. Now, in summary, the Solana blockchain is not so much striving to become a replacement for Ethereum, but rather an improved version of it, offering similar solutions, but working at a much higher speed and lower fees. I just like the fact that though Solana is the underdog here, it has the potential to not just catch up with Ethereum, but most likely to outpace it over the coming years. all in all, I still think the best cryptocurrency coins to invest in are those with projects that allow developers build new and innovative utilities. That's why Ethereum and Solana have been a success. That's why Ethereum has been as successful as it has, and I strongly believe Solana is following in Ethereum's footsteps, but at a quicker and more improved pace.